Good morning. Today our topic is land, man, and when. So land क्या है? Land is a local area network. WAN क्या है? It is a wide area network. And MAN क्या है? It is a metropolitan area network. So at first we must know what is a network. So network is it is the collection of autonomous interconnected by a single technology is called a computer network. Two computers are said to be interconnected if they are able to exchange information. Connection can be through a copper wire, fiber optical, microwave, infrared, or satellite, which we discussed in the previous chapter or in the previous topic. So, what is computer network? A network in which our two computers and connected through a wire or a wireless system is known as a computer network. Here is the diagram in which show different systems are connected with each other through some transmission media. Next is need of computer network. We can use the computer for file sharing, for resource sharing, communication and collaboration, remote access and data protection. Devices used to connect a network is router, gateway, repeaters, bridges, hub, modem. So, category of network, there are three categories of network, that is LAN, MAN and WAN. Now we will discuss one by one categories. At first we have LAN, that is local area network. A LAN is a collection of networking equipment located geographically close together. We can use our LAN in a single room, a single building, a campus, etc. The data transfer in high speed, which ranges from 100 Mbps to gigabyte for assistant development and have a low implementation cost. The upper limit of LAN is 100 kilometer and the lower limit is 1 kilometer. That is, we can use a LAN area network up to 1 kilometer to 10 kilometer, or we can say that we can use a LAN network in school to campus building, etc. Office also. Twist in the LAN network, we will use twisted pair cable or coaxial cable connects the plug-in card to form a network. It is designed to share resource between PC and workstations such as hardware or data. There is the example uses of LAN. A work to internet connection would most likely require broadcast network LAN within to the internet package switch network. In this, there is a workstation. After that, we have a LAN network. Then we use a router to send the data, and then high-speed telephone line, and then our internet service provider through which we can get a internet. Another one is Wi-Fi, computer, wire router, internet, Wi-Fi LAN adapter. So these are all the examples of LAN network. What are the demerits of LAN? The first one is merits. Merits is it is the cost reduction through sharing of information and database resources and network service. It increases information exchange between different department and organization or between individuals. The trend to automate communication and manufacturing process. What are the demerits of LAN cable? Its special security measures are needed to for program and data. In this, the network are difficult to set up and need to be maintained by skilled technicians. If the file server develops a serious fault, all the user are affected. So these are the demerits of LAN network. In the LAN network, we have used three topologies, that is bus topology, ring topology, and star topology. Next one is area network, that is MAN, or we can say that MAN is used for our warehouses, branch office, factories, cities, and the distance of MAN is up to 10 kilometer to 100 kilometer. Metropolitan network is designed to extend over an entire city. It may be a single network such as cable cable television network available in many cities. A man uses dual bus. Range between is 100 kilometers. That is, a man is used to an entire city, while the otherwise a LAN is used in a single building, campus, school, college, office, house, etc. What are the advantages and disadvantages of man? Advantages of man is it provide a good backbone for a large network and provide greater access to WAN. The dual bus used in MAN help the transmission of data in both directions simultaneously. A MAN usually encompasses several blocks of a city or an entire city. While a disadvantage is it is difficult to make a system secure from the hackers because of their distance or because of their graphical regions. More cable required for a MAN connection from one place to place. While in the LAN, we not need to require a more cables. While in MAN, we need a cable because the distance matter. Next is last topic is WAN, that is wide area network. Network that provide a long distance transmission of data, voice, image and video information over large geographical area that have compromised a country, a continent behind ranges 100 kilometer above. So what is WAN? A WAN is used from one country to another country, one city to another city, and one village to another village. So in the wide area network, the name shows that it is used for wide, or we can say that it is used for that provide a long distance transmission. What are the advantages of WAN? In this, we can share a software and resources. Message can be sent very quickly. It covers the geographical area. Everyone on the network can use the same data. We can use a phone and internet over on it. And what are the disadvantage? Because of their long geographical area, it is a less secure. Any hackers will can hack our data. The maintaining and full-time job require a network supervisor. That is the maintenance of WAN network is very costly. Setting a network can expensive, slow, and bigger the network, more expensive. Need a good firewall to restrict outsider from entering and disrupting the networks. This is the image of WAN in which our network will be shared. What are the technologies we are used under in WAN is ISDN, frame relay, switched multi-megabyte data service, synchronized optical network, that is SONET, HPLC, synchronized data control. WANs in action, making internet connection. Here, workstation, then telephone, then internet, then router, and here is our house where we can get internet. So our network is very broad that we can get a net here. So here is the difference between LAN, WAN, and MAN, or we can say that comparison chart between LAN, MAN, and WAN. So at MAN is stand in MAN for metropolitan area network, and WAN is stand for wide area network. If we discussed about their range, range. So LAN range is communication network linking a number of stations in local area, that is 1 to 10 kilometer, while the MAN range is up to 100 kilometer and the WAN range is behind 100 kilometer. That is a long geographical area. If we discussed about media used, LAN uses a guided media, MAN used guided and unguided media, while the WAN is used only unguided media. The speed of LAN is 100 kbps to 100 mbps. The speed of MAN is large area than LAN, and the WAN long distance long distance communication, which may or may not be provided by public packet. If we discuss about their cost, or we can say that how much money we used when we make a network with a LAN, MAN, and WAN, The land is very cheaper, man is costly, and the van is expensive. Equipment is used for land is NIC, switch, and hub. For man is modem and router, and for van is microwave, radio, infrared, laser. What are the protocols we are used for LAN, MAN, and WAN? For LAN, we use ARCnet and token ring. For MAN, we can use frame relay and asynchronous transfer mode. And for WAN, we have used ATM, FDDI, and SMDS. So here is this is the topic, that is we discussed today is LAN. Where we use LAN, we can use LAN in a single house, buildings, school, college, campus, etc. And the area range is 1 to 10 kilometer. MAN is used for the whole city, metropolitan network, big warehouses, college campus, etc. While a MAN is larger geographical area, and it is used one city to another, one country to another, and one village to another, and the range is beyond 100 kilometer. Thank you.